Welcome again, grade 2. How are you? And now we're going to take our science class. Don't forget that I will give you extra points for doing the homework or doing extra homeworks, okay? So stay with me. Today we're going to take about special career or special job, which is beekeeper. As we always do, we talk about jobs and STEM connection, but we don't study them for the exam, okay? Now look at this picture. From the picture, what do you think beekeepers do? Beekeepers, what do you think they do? Yes, they help bees to live, okay? This is a beehives, okay? It's like a house that bees are living in, and beekeepers take honey from bees, okay? Look at their clothes, what they are wearing. A special hat, special gloves. So let us read this. Beekeepers wear special hat and gloves to help them safe from bee stings. So this clothes is to help them stay safe. Let's read about beekeepers. Beekeepers take care of large groups of bees. Bees live in colonies. Each colony can have more than 100,000 bees. Can you imagine how big this number is? Yes, this is a huge number. Beekeepers take care of bees by providing beehives. What are beehives? The bees leave their hives. Beehives are the house in which bees live, okay? The bees leave their hives to go out and pollinate flowers. As we talked about, bees do pollination. So they leave their hives and do pollination for the flowers. They also collect pollen to bring back to the hive. So they collect pollen, they bring it back to their hive. Then they make honey. So they use pollen to make honey. Okay? Do you enjoy caring for insects and spending time outdoors? Can you imagine yourself work as a beekeeper and taking care of a kind of insect? Can you imagine this? Do you enjoy doing this? You could be a beekeeper. You could be a beekeeper too. You can read books to learn how to become a beekeeper. You can also take class in your community. So the first homework for today is to send a video of yourself talking about beekeepers. Tell me if you want to be a beekeeper or if you don't want to be a beekeeper, okay? So you must tell me about beekeepers and if you want to be a beekeeper or not. Okay? Is this clear? I think it is. So your homework is to talk about beekeepers and if you will be a beekeeper in one day or not and why. We must take the inquiry activity page 41, but because we're not in the class, we're not going to talk it. So just skip page 41, 42, 43 and open your books page 44. We're going to take the review page 44. Let me open it. Just 1 minute. Okay. Let's wait 1 minute for it to download or to open. Okay. Now you remember this photo? The photo of the sheep. I think you must remember it. Yes, the sheep. So our question when we started this lesson was how do animals help plants? I think you all now know that they do pollination, they hold seeds, so animals can help plants a lot. Explain how animals help plants make more plants. We talked a lot about this, and the answer was animals help plants by dispersing seeds. Some carry seeds to a new place. They drop the seed and it takes root. Other carry pollen from one flower to another. So this is the the answer. Write it in your book. Animals help plants by dispersing seeds. Some carry seeds to a new place. They drop the seed and it takes root. Other carry pollen from one flower to another. Write it in your book. Stop the video, write it, and then follow us. Now, we must return to the prop page, okay? Some of you said that animals can help plants by holding their seeds. Others said that animals will eat seeds. So, which opinion was the best? Yes, that animals help plants making more plants. So if you choose a pen, which was the wrong answer, get back to that page and make it correct by choosing Talia. Okay. Do you remember this? Dandelion seeds that have a structure like wings and they fly when you blow on them or by wind to disperse to new place. And this is this butterfly are holding pollen from one flower to another. Okay, let's answer question 1. Which sentence describes a way that dandelion seeds could be dispersed? This is dandelion seeds. Okay, how they can disperse. Wind blows the seeds. Is this correct, that wind blows the seeds? It is correct. The seeds stick to animals' fur. Can those seeds stick to animals' fur? I think no. Rain falls on the dandelion. Okay, think about it. When rain falls on the dandelion plant or the dandelion seeds, would this help them to spread more or to move to new places? Does rain take them to new place? It does, okay? So we have now two correct answers. Think about them. Two correct answers until now. Let's see this one. A child picks the dandelion and carries it to school. If a child take it to school and then he blow on it and it will disperse. So can a child help the dandelion seeds to move? He can. So what is the best answer? All of the above. So even this kind of seed can stick on animal's fur and the animal can move it from one place to another. So let's check our answer. It is correct. Okay, so you will circle E, which is all of the above. Question 5. We're still talking about those two. How does the structure of a flower help a butterfly pollinate it? We talked a lot about the shape of the seed, the structure of the seed. Now we're talking about the flower, the structure of the flower, the parts of the flower. So this question is the same of what you did in the video, so it is a homework. So again, question 2 is a homework. Okay, do it at home and send it to me on Class Dojo. So you have two homeworks for today. The first homework is a video of yourselves talking about beekeeper and if you want to be one, if you want to be a beekeeper in when you grow up. The second one is question 2, page 45, which is how does the structure of a flower help a butterfly pollinate it? That's it for today. Someday, inshallah, we're going to start a new lesson and start studying because soon I will give you a science quiz and a math quiz. See you, grade 2. Thank you.